Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you the new mobile home that I just installed. I wanted a way to keep track of the progress as I'm installing this, and here it is so far. I am not moved in yet because things are not done getting installed, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside and outside, and then as I make progress putting things in here, I will show you those too. Okay, so kitchen tour. Here's my kitchen. I saw this mobile home on the website at Palm Harbor, and I did like one of those virtual tours, but they never had it on hand. And I did tour several that they had there at the place, but in the end I decided to order this one. I like the layout a lot. This is a Singlewide, and it's got room for a little kitchen table, and I like especially that it has the utility room separate from the kitchen. And there it is. There's wires in the way blocking at this point. As I was saying, here's the utility room. It's got nothing in it so far. There's wires that are still not connected. And here's my little view out the door, but there's no steps at this time. Living room. It's got this little fireplace, which is not connected yet. And I've got this hallway. Down the hallway, one room. The second room is the bathroom, and another room. Now as I go back to the kitchen, I'm going to show a video of the master bedroom. Closet, window, the other bathroom. I wanted to make this video so I could document how things are getting installed. When I was looking into getting a mobile home, I couldn't really find a lot of information on how to get things installed and how to get it set up and all this stuff. But as I said, I went through Palm Harbor and they've pretty much arranged every single thing for me. I'm just waiting for all of the pieces to get put in outside now. So this is what it looks like at the moment. I'm on a lot of land with nothing but dirt. They laid down the pad. They have put some blocks in. I don't know if they're going to put any more or not. Here around this side is what it looks like at this point. There is going to be a septic system installed here, and they've already started getting the pipes done for that. I've got around the back. This week they're going to put in the air conditioner here from that box, I think. And they've started connecting what seems to be the water. It's really close to being connected. And here they're connecting the electricity, and it's not 100% connected yet. This is what it looks like underneath. Anyway, I wanted to buy a mobile home because since my family already has land, I could install it here for without the price of purchasing land. And my kids and I had been searching for a house, and I don't have a lot to put down, so the houses in my price range were very few, or were in weird neighborhoods or bad neighborhoods. Also, it helps me to move back close to home, which I work about 3 minutes away from here, and that makes it really easy. Buying a mobile home is something like I haven't heard a lot of people talk about openly. There still seems to be a lot of stigma associated with that. But I was thinking for several years I have been interested in living in a tiny home. And when I researched tiny homes, since I don't have building skills myself and I wouldn't know how to go about building one, it seemed to me like it was almost the same price to build a tiny home as it would be to purchase a mobile home, and it would get a lot more space in a mobile home. I haven't moved in yet. So far, it looks really good. I love the design, I love the layout. I think it's gonna have a lot of space for me and my kids, and I'm just very excited to have it be finished and I can move in. Today is November 10th, and the mobile home was delivered and set up on October 28th. So it's already been quite a few days. I don't know how usually long they take to set up, but I'm really excited to see the rest come in. This isn't exactly the type of content that I'm used to making. I prefer making travel content, and actually I haven't even made any content in like very many months. So maybe this is a way of reintroducing my channel and the things I'm going to talk about. I don't know if this is the place for it or not, but if you are new here, my name is Rachel. I'm a 4th grade teacher that lives in Texas. During my summers, I love to travel, especially in South America, almost only in South America, especially the Amazon rainforest. And in my time where I'm working during the school year, I am trying my best to live frugally so that I can spend my summers and travel. I'm also a mom. I have 2 kids, and I don't usually include them in my content because they don't want to be part of that. I can't think of what else to say. I know I'm being super awkward. I am super awkward. I don't know. I recently okay. As a reintroduction to my channel, I am Rachel. I'm a single mom with 2 kids. I do co-parenting with my ex-husband. I love making travel content. I speak Spanish. I teach 4th grade, as I said before. During my school breaks, I love to travel to South America. I'm hoping to republish some of my old videos that I've made before and which I took off. In 2020, I went traveling in South America for 3 months with my then boyfriend, and we're not together anymore. The last 3 summers I went to Colombia in the rainforest. The first time I went to Colombia, I went to Medellin first, then the rainforest, then Bogota. The summer after that, I went to just the rainforest pretty much, and last summer as well, I did just the rainforest. I am hoping to make a lot more travel content, including rainforest and travel within Texas. I don't know, I stopped making content after I drank ayahuasca, and it felt like my voice was gone. And now I've sort of recommitted myself to Christ and my Catholic faith, and I'm feeling my voice coming back. So you can expect content related to travel, photography, homemaking. I am hoping to make this mobile home a home. including minimalism, frugal living, natural living, and possibly Catholicism. I hope that this video wasn't too disjointed for everyone, and I hope you'll come back again, and see you soon. I am going to report back pretty soon. After this week, my plan is to document the septic coming in and the air conditioner coming in and whatever else. I still don't know the completion date for getting this home ready, and I'm so super excited to show that to everyone. Is there any question anybody has about purchasing a mobile home or living in a mobile home, or do you have any advice for me as I'm starting to live in one? Please let me know and drop me a comment down below. Well, I'll see y'all again soon. Bye.